Hi there! For today's video in Crochet Basics, I wanted to show you how to make the double crochet. So if you haven't watched my first videos on how to make a single crochet or half double crochet, I recommend you watch them first just so you get familiar with your hook and yarn. So I'm using for today's video cotton yarn. This is worsted weight and my 5.0 millimeter hook. You're welcome to do this project with any other yarn or any other hook, just as long as it fits your yarn. Usually it says so on the label which hook you need. So first things first, to do any kind of stitch, you first need a base, a chain. So do a slip knot first. You're gonna wrap it around your finger like this, the loop over the other one, the second one over your finger, pull it a little tight, and insert your hook. That's it. So for this project, I'm gonna do 22 chains. My square is gonna be 20 double crochets, but I need 2 extra chains. So to start, just yarn over and go through that loop on your hook. Yarn over and go through that loop on your hook. So just keep doing the chains until you reach the desired length. Okay, I have finished my chain here, so I'm gonna start doing my double crochets, and I'm gonna start on the 3rd chain from the hook. That's why I need 2 extra ones. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook on that chain, grab my yarn, yarn over, go through only 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and finish it off by going through the last 2. So again, yarn over, go through the next chain, grab your yarn, yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, and go through the last 2. So easy as that. Just keep practicing going through those first 2 and finish it off with the last 2. Okay? So I finished the first row of double crochets. That is how it's looking. Okay, so if you want to continue doing more rows, just chain 2, turn around, and start doing the double crochets on the top of the stitches. So this chain 2 can count as a double crochet for the previous one, for this one. So I'm gonna go into that next one and do my double crochet. Okay, easy as that. You go through both of those loops that look like a V, and when you turn around and do that 3rd round, you're going to do the double crochet on that last chain because this is counting as a double crochet. So I have an example here I've already made. As you can see, that is how a double crochet will look like. So if you skip that chain 2 that you made, your square is going to start looking like a triangle. So beware of that and just keep doing your double crochets until you reach the length that you want. So that's it for this video on Crochet Basics. I hope you enjoyed making the double crochet, and I hope this inspires you to keep learning. So you're welcome to keep watching my playlist on Crochet Basics. See you on the next one.